Hi guys, Jen here with How Jen Does It. Today I'm sharing my 2-week menu and my Trader Joe's, Costco, and Kroger grocery haul. So I have 14 meals here and I just pick from them each day. I don't have specific meals for specific days. So I have my slow cooker chicken and sausage gumbo with rice. I have recipes for almost all, or if not all, of these, so I will link them below for you guys. I have slow cooker rice and meatballs with mashed potatoes and green beans, spaghetti with meat sauce and salad, minestrone soup with focaccia bread, my awesome baked chicken with baked potatoes and broccoli, andouille sausage with pasta, pesto, and spinach with salad, crab cakes with basil aioli, shrimp, quinoa, and Brussels sprouts, spinach and white bean soup with garlic breadsticks, Thai chicken with peanut sauce and rice, rice and pinto bean bowls. These aren't in the order that we're going to eat them either, so there's a lot of rice right in a row. Salisbury steak, mashed potatoes and green beans, Asian lettuce wraps, rice noodles, and sugar snap peas, tacos, and then a macaroni or leftover night. I did want to mention before I forget, I do go to the grocery store in between my 2-week hauls and just pick up fresh produce. It isn't a ton, but my produce doesn't last for the whole 2 weeks. I get asked about that a lot, which, yeah, if it could last 2 weeks, that would be great, but it just doesn't. This is everything from Kroger. I went to Kroger first, brought all of this home. I'll put it away, and then we're going to Trader Joe's and Costco. Our Kroger is right by our house, but Trader Joe's and Costco are just a little bit of a drive, and we bring our cooler with us. It's a little warm for February here, and that is very nice, so we are bringing our cooler. Sometimes we don't have to bring it because it's so cold here, but this is everything I got from Kroger. I got some garlic, okra. That is the best they had. I think it should be fine though. Zucchini. The okra is for the chicken and sausage gumbo. The zucchini is for minestrone soup. Jalapeno peppers, red and yellow bell pepper. I got some Boston lettuce for Asian lettuce wraps. Some romaine lettuce for salads. Josh and I made a bunch of chicken for salads for our lunches. I made mine fajita chicken, and I'm going to do avocado with lime juice and cilantro. It's so good. I posted a picture on Instagram a couple weeks ago, but that's what I'm going to have for lunch this week, and he will make different type of salads, so a little bit different, but we have a chicken cooked for that. I have some red leaf lettuce for our tortoises. We have pet tortoises, in case you're new to my channel. I said that before in the past, and someone said, I keep hearing you say lettuce for tortoises, and they thought it was a cuisine, so I just wanted to let you know those are our pets. I got some green grapes, some cilantro, baby spinach. I'll use this for the spinach and white bean soup, and then 2 things of blueberries. I got some green onions, mushrooms for the Salisbury steak. No one in my family likes mushrooms, but I love them, and so I will just make them separate for myself. I got 3 limes. This is the coffee creamer that John really likes. It's the salted caramel natural bliss. They had this ranch dressing on sale, and Josh likes this for his salads. I do make my own homemade ranch dressing, but it's better if you just make it that day, or even just use it for like a day or two. And because Josh will be using it for his lunches, it's easier to have it in the bottle, so I got that. I got a bunch of lemons. You guys know I like to have lemons in my water, and sometimes I use those for cooking. I picked up some more corn tortillas. I like to always keep those on hand. This was on sale. I think it was 2 for $5, so shaving gel for my guys. And then I got some red curry paste, water chestnuts, and then rice noodles for the Asian lettuce wrap meal that I'm going to make. And then I picked up these Natural Choice pepperoni. They're uncured and they don't have any preservatives. I try to get these because my guys like to eat pepperoni or make homemade pizza. So grab some more of those. Okay, this is everything from Trader Joe's. So I got some apples, a few yogurts, mango, strawberry, blueberry, and coconut cream. Taco shells for tacos, obviously. We're going to have an easy dinner night. Some sour cream, cheddar cheese, feta cheese, chocolate chips. I'm just going to bake something like, I don't know, something, or make granola bars. I have some white kidney beans for the minestrone soup, and then I have another can in the cabinet. I need them for the spinach and white bean soup as well. Pinto beans for the rice bowls. John loves these strawberry O's. A couple boxes of shells and cheese. I got 3 loaves of gluten-free bread. I don't use that much in 2 weeks normally, but I have a lot of things that I need breadcrumbs for, so I wanted to make sure I didn't run out. I got some brown basmati rice. I really like the brown jasmine rice, but they were out, so I got this. I got 2 bags of the brown rice penne pasta. I got some chicken andouille sausage. I have another package in the refrigerator. I need this for the pasta dish that was on my menu with the pesto and spinach, and then I also used this for the chicken and sausage gumbo. I got some beef broth for the Salisbury steak. And then John grabbed a few things of lunch meat. So he got the pastrami, Black Forest ham, and rosemary ham. I also got some unsweetened vanilla almond milk, blueberry waffles for a quick breakfast, crab meat for the crab cakes. This is just crab meat. And I also got the shrimp. That's for one of my dinners. And here is everything from Costco. A bag of avocados. I love avocados. I'm the only one that eats them though. A big bag of oranges, a pineapple, milk, eggs. I only had 1 egg left. Some chicken. I have some more in the freezer. Butter, ground beef, ground turkey, orange juice. John was happy that they had this roasted red pepper hummus. It's his favorite. And a big thing of salsa. I do like to make my own salsa, but in the winter the tomatoes just aren't as good. So we just buy this. Plus we go through salsa like crazy. It's one of our favorite snacks. And then I got the guys their bread, 2 bags of tortilla chips. We got 2 bags of the Cape Cod kettle potato chips. These were on sale for a couple dollars off, so it was a great price for those. And then the Boom Chicka Pop was also on sale for a couple dollars off. So we did get a lot of snacks, so hopefully we'll have some left. We do have teenagers though, so we go through snacks like crazy. So that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this grocery haul and my menu. Be sure to check the description box below for recipe links. I have recipe links for just about everything. Thanks again for watching.